Hi, I'm Dia Kwabiru, a student of Corona Secondary School. Corona Secondary School is a co-educational boarding school based in Agbara, Ogun State, Nigeria. And the topic of my discussion is dynamics of rotating rigid bodies. Every object continues to move in a continuous straight line unless acted upon by an external force. This is according to the first law of motion. When talking about rotating rigid bodies, we talk about four terms precisely: torque, angular momentum, nutation, and precession. Take a look at this wheel, for instance. Line is in its resting position. If you put it vertically and let it go, it will fall back to its resting position. But watch what happens if, while vertical, I spin it. When a force is applied tangentially to the wheel, it creates a torque. Torque is the product of the applied force and the perpendicular distance between the center axis and the line of action. Due to torque, angular momentum is conserved. Normally, the wheel is supposed to continue rotating forever, but due to the forces of air resistance and the friction from the suspension rope, the wheel will come to lie back to its horizontal position. After some time, you begin to notice that the wheel begins rotating around, thereby changing its spin axis. This type of movement is called nutation. The spinner has an interesting feat when it is rotating about a point. When it rotates, the angular momentum is conserved, and changing the axis of rotation will not affect the fidget spinner. This process is called precession. You can also see this process in a Moto Grand Prix when the bikers are tilting left or right when they are trying to negotiate a bend. If the biker speed falls, then the bike will topple and he will fall off the bike. For the same way, the fidget spinner, like once the speed slows down and you tilt it, it will fall. I know you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you've learned a lot.